Yesterday in the Dáil, I raised with the Taoiseach on International Children's Day the enormous challenges and unacceptable situations facing too many children in Ireland today. In particular, I drew to his attention the fact that up to 4,000 children are homeless, a very sad indictment of government policy. I pointed out that too many children with special needs are waiting far too long for their initial assessment of need, and thousands of more children with special needs are waiting far too long to see a speech and language therapist, an occupational therapist, or indeed a physiotherapist. Many thousands of children are waiting too long for a hospital appointment, or indeed an outpatient's appointment. Too many children are waiting too long to get access to the Child and Adolescent Mental Health Service, and thousands of children are waiting over 2 years for access to the orthodontic service. So right across the system in many different sectors, children who have complex needs and have issues to be dealt with are not being served well by the government or by the state. It's long past time for the government to deal with these issues and to help these children in need in a realistic and comprehensive way.